A lot of people are asking me like, paano kung hindi ako graduate? Paano kung dati lang akong kargador? Paano kung dati lang akong um, bagger, ganun. Uh, Natatawa ako kasi ako personally, I started doing odd jobs. In fact, yung pinakahuli kong trabaho bago ako nag-call center, nasa tatrabaho ako sa talyer. So, nagtatrabaho ako sa talyer and doon ako nagbabapping ako ng sasakyan yung mga nababangga, ganun, nagpapapintura. Doon ako galing. Una kong trabaho, galing ako na sa SM, bagger ako sa SM nung mga sa Cubao. Yun. Doon ako galing. So it's not really a long shot kung tricycle driver ka man or kung saan ka mang trabaho nang galing, hindi naman problema yun. For example, to si Marco, and sabi niya, former janitor and dad of two, fully paid a 2.2 million house from freelancing. So kung magkakatas ng freelancing yan. Yeah. And here's Sarah. Sabi niya katas ng freelancing. So again, this is not just about earning a lot of income. Sometimes it's also about building yung lifestyle na gusto mo. So ito sabi ni Sarah was able to build her own gas station from the earnings that she got from freelancing.